That was tough to watch. Bayern Munich beating Chelsea 3-1 wasn't just about individual mistakes. It exposed some deep structural problems with how Chelsea are building this squad. Let's break it down because honestly, last night felt more like men versus boys than two European giants going head to head. Let's start with the most obvious takeaway. Chelsea looked raw. Bayern had 58% possession, 17 shots, and created 5 big chances. On the other hand, Chelsea only had 8 shots, just 2 on target, and 0 big chances created. That tells you everything. It wasn't just tactics, it was mentality. This was Chelsea's youngest Champions League squad in decades, with an average age around 23. Compare that to Bayern, who had Harry Kane, age 32, Manuel Neuer, age 39, and Kimmich, age 30, all starting. That's hundreds of Champions League appearances between them. And you could see that on the pitch. Chelsea's younger players like João Pedro, Enzo Fernandez, and Malo Gusto looked nervous under pressure. The atmosphere at the Allianz is not forgiving. One loose touch, one poor pass, and Bayern punished them. And that's exactly what happened. Now, this takes us to the Chelsea recruitment. Todd Bowley's approach has been all about investing in raw talent. The club has spent over 1.1 billion since 2022 on signings, mostly under the age of 23. That's unheard of in football history. And yes, it's exciting. Players like Caicedo, Cole Palmer, and Enzo Fernandez are full of potential, but last night showed why this strategy is flawed in short term. Chelsea had zero outfield players with 50 plus Champions League appearances. Bayern, on the other hand, had 5 such players in the starting 11. That's a massive gulf in experience. Think back to Thiago Silva. He alone had played more than 100 Champions League matches before leaving. His leadership and calmness in these knockout nights was priceless. Without players like that, Chelsea looked like a team learning on the job. And the Champions League is not a classroom. And this brings us to the third big point. Chelsea have a good squad, but Bayern have a great squad. And the difference between good and great is elite level players. Chelsea's best attacker right now is Delap, and he's injured. But Bayern have Harry Kane, a striker who has scored 40 plus goals in the previous season across all competition. At age 32, he still looks sharper and fitter than most of Chelsea's forwards. Why? Because he's part of that elite bracket players like Lewandowski, Benzema, Suarez, guys who win you matches at the very highest level. And it is not just Kane. Bayern have Joshua Kimmich, who has played more than 80 Champions League matches. They have Manuel Neuer, a goalkeeper who has been there for more than a decade and has 2 Champions League titles. And for Chelsea, only Reece James have featured and won the Champions League. That's the gulf. A team filled with good players can get you to the Champions League group stage. But to actually compete with Europe's best, you need great players. Proven, elite level footballers who know how to handle these moments. And here's the frustrating part for Chelsea fans. The project wasn't completely wrong. Signing young players makes sense if you want sustainability. But once Chelsea secured Champions League football, that was the time to shift gears. You needed 3 or 4 proven world class players in that dressing room. Players who have been to the Champions League semi finals and finals. Imagine if Chelsea had signed someone like Kevin De Bruyne last summer. Even at 38, his presence could have calmed the midfield, or a striker with European pedigree to share the load with Delap. That blend of experience with youth would have lifted the whole squad. Instead, Chelsea doubled down on the same strategy, and last night was proof raw talent without guidance looks lost against a machine like Bayern Munich. So, to sum it up, Chelsea lost to Bayern not just because of a bad night, but because of bigger issues, an inexperienced squad, a risky recruitment strategy, and a lack of proven world class players. Until Chelsea find that balance, youth mixed with leadership, raw potential backed with elite quality, they will continue to look like outsiders in these huge Champions League nights. Bayern didn't just win 3-1, they showed Chelsea exactly what's missing, and unless the policy shifts soon, this might not be the last time Chelsea fans feel this frustration.